All right, court is calling 2024 CR 008085, State versus Dean Delgado. Could I have parties announce?
Ron Zimmerman for Mr. Delgado.
Are you Mr. Delgado? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I believe so, and yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Delgado, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? And count two, you're charged with theft, $2,500 to $30,000 of a vehicle. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Delgado, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, not allowed to re-enter the United States, and be denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $2,000 fine, 15 months in the state jail facility. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3996. State is proceeding on count two only. There are no applications. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Yes. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense in count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the admonishments and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and stipulated to stipulations of testimony. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Delgado, he is young and he does understand the difficulty that he has placed himself and his family in. And he's willing to accept responsibility for his actions. And he would request that the court go ahead and observe and grant the plea bargain.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to a $2,000 fine, 15 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3996. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And cause number 2022 CR 3996. Are the file stamp dates you all have for the motions to revoke, were these filed on April 25th, 2024 and March 2nd, 2023? All right, thank you. All right, in that cause number, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revokes community supervision? And also the first amended motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, are you the same Dean Pablo Delgado who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3996 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on October 5th, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about 4th day of July 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Dean Pablo Delgado, committed the offense of theft in violation of a bond.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And then violation of condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Dean Pablo Delgado, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2023, and January, February, and March of 2024 in violation of condition.
All right, how do you plead to that? True or not true? Any
No.
objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 4? Court will find 1 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
We said he and guilty as the 15 months in the state jails.
All right, what have you done since you're on probation other than pick up new offenses? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Dean Delgado.
All right, what have you done other than pick up new cases?
Well, I've been working with my uncle. He's a contractor and stuff.
Well, have you been working with your uncle? And because you just pled to another vehicle offense.
Just after the fact. So after that, I've been done with that. I realized what I did was wrong, and I'm not ready to pay for what I did. So after that, I've been working with my.
All right, so I can tell you for this, I'm not going to give you 15 months because you haven't done anything. The only thing you've done is pick up new cases, and it appears that you barely reported. So you haven't done anything. I gave you a curfew. Obviously, you violated your curfew. You haven't been reporting. You just picked up a new case. So the court is going to find you guilty or revoke. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008085. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.